They say there's a drawing you can secretly play with during class without getting caught. After folding a piece of paper into 4 sections, boldly draw a flower in just one section. At first, it just looks like a doodle, but if you keep swapping and attaching the torn pieces together, no matter how you combine them, you end up with a picture that connects naturally. But that's not all. There's also an origami trick that even students who had their fidget spinners confiscated can secretly enjoy. Take a thin, long strip of paper and weave it together in a crisscross pattern, almost like strands of hair. If it's not long enough, just attach another strip and keep going. After folding endlessly, attach both ends together, and you have an instant fidget toy that keeps spinning every time you flick it with your finger.